Do you know this mobile battery can last up to 5 days? Let's discover this phone together. Thanks for watching BDI Tech. Click the subscribe button, then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. All videos on this channel are in 2 languages, English and Urdu Hindi. Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here and welcome back to $1 Billion iTech, the place where future tech lovers come to get inspired. So in today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing of Beast battery smartphone Oukitel. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned and let's get started. Well, Oukitel is not a particularly well-known brand as far as I know. Actually, 10,000 in modern name stands for 10,000 mAh battery in there. I'm curious to see how long that lasts on a regular basis. I would say this mobile got the largest smartphone battery in the world. Let's see what we have in the box. There is the phone and wow, that is insane. Oh my goodness, it's such a thick and heavy phone. But I will take that because of its battery life. This comes with the white transparent case as well. Let's put this aside for a second and check out what else in the box. Oh, look at, they have included the pouch as well. You can put the phone in there. I assume it will be hard to find the accessories of this phone, so they bump everything in the box already. That's great. The back side is designed as it can go on your belt. And under that we got SIM ejector tool. And we have another 2 screen protectors. One is tempered glass, hard one, and the other one is soft one. Underneath that, we have got quick guide and warranty certs. Also, a micro USB to USB charging cable and micro USB to female USB port for connecting other devices to charge or transfer media. And at last, the giant fast charging power adapter. I think Apple should learn from them. Imagine spending $1,000 and they don't even provide fast charging adapter in the box. This mobile comes with the octa-core processor, 32 GB internal memory and 3 GB RAM. The weird part of this mobile, they include almost all accessories in the box of this mobile except headphones. How could they forget that? On the right side of this mobile, we got power and volume buttons. On the left side, we have dual SIM tray and you can add one micro USB card as well. At bottom, we have 2 speakers and charging port. And finally, at the top, we have 3.5 mm headphone jack. At the back of this mobile, we have 13 megapixel camera with LED flash and fingerprint sensor. The front facing camera of this mobile is 5 megapixel. The screen size of this mobile is 5.5 inches with screen resolution of 1920 by 1080p. The screen quality is not that good, but I would say it worth on this price. The most important thing, don't lose the including micro USB cable because the phone charging port is so deeply built that none other micro USB cables can charge it. The best part of this mobile that you can use it as a power source, making it useful to keep around. You can charge your secondary phone as well. Let me show you in comparison to my iPhone X. And look at the difference there. That is insane to me. Wow. Obviously, most of the size is going towards the battery. In case you are wondering, you won't be able to use LTE or NFC on this mobile. This mobile is not water resist as well. Moving on to software side of this mobile, it has Android 7.0 installed on it. You can also use the motion gestures, like if you tap 3 fingers and swipe down, you can take quick screenshot. Also, 2 fingers at the same time, the lower or upper sliding will adjust the volume. Another gesture, 3 fingers at the same time slide up, will activate the camera. Other than that, you can use all the other applications on this mobile. If I would have to describe this phone in 3 words, I would say this phone is a beast battery phone. One of the positive sides of this mobile that it's extremely durable. As I say, it's a tank phone and it's strong like a tank as well. Pricing at under $70, and considering the battery life as your primary concern and the durability, this is a best phone you can get. This phone is highly advisable for my adventurous friends. If you like to go on jungle trekking and spend most of your time hiking, this phone is definitely will be one of your favorite choice. Hey, but again, this phone is not designed to be an iPhone or Samsung killer. This is for people who really want an Android device that can run multiple apps and never die. You can use Oukitel K10000 Pro for all kinds of things. More like a tablet that won't die no matter what you run on it. In simple words, this mobile phone is beast in battery life at this price range. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.